Shadow reading activity. Useful questions in English. Let's go.
Hey, my dear. Welcome back at Panda J UK. In today's lesson, we're going to learn how to make polite requests in English. So you can ask people for permission. You can ask someone if you can open the door or close the window. You can ask your teacher if you can go to the toilet. And of course, you need to know how to respond when someone asks you for permission. You should say yes or no. And sometimes you can say yes, but okay, let's get started. The first sentence is, please, can I open the door? You can use this sentence when you want to go outside. When you're inside, you can say, please, can I open the window? Can I open the window, please? The next one is, please, can I go to the toilet? If you need to go to the bathroom, you can say, please, can I go to the toilet? Can I go to the toilet, please? Next, you can say, please, can I drink some water? I'm thirsty. I need some water. When you want to drink some water, you can say, please, can I drink some water? Can I have some water, please? Next, you can say, please, can I sit here? Is this seat free? Please, can I sit here next? You can say, please, can I stand up? Please, can I stand up? And if you want to speak English, you can say, please, can I speak English? May I speak English, please? And of course, you can ask questions in class, right? You can say, please, can I ask a question? Please, can I ask a question? And if you want to write something on the board, you could say, please, can I write on the board? Can I write on the board? Please. Then, if you see someone's pen on their desk, you can say, please, can I use your pen? Please, can I use your pen? And if you don't have a pencil, you can say, please, can I borrow a pencil? Can I borrow a pencil? Please. And if you want to help your teacher, you can say, please, can I help you? Please, can I help you? If you want to go outside, you can say, please, can I go outside? Can I go outside? Please. When someone comes to your house, you can say, please, can I come in? May I come in? Please. And if you want to finish your work earlier, you can say, please, can I leave early? Please, can I leave early? And if you're hungry and it's lunchtime, you can say, please, can I eat my lunch? Can I eat my lunch now? Please. You can also ask your teacher if you can listen to music with your headphones. Right. So you can say, please, can I listen to music? Please, can I listen to music with my headphones? If it's dark in the room and you want to see something, you can say, please, can I turn on the light? May I turn on the light, please? And when you leave the room, you can say, please, can I turn off the light? Please, can I turn off the light? And of course, you can ask your classmates if you can read their book, right? You can say, please, can I read this book? Can I read your book? Please. And if you want to watch television, you can say, please, can I watch TV? Please, can I watch TV? If you want to use the computer, you can say, please, can I use the computer? Can I use the computer? Please. You can also ask your friends if you can play a game together, right? You can say, please, can I play a game? Please, can I play a game with you? If you know the answer to the question, you can raise your hand and say, please, can I answer the question? Please, can I answer the question? And if you can't do your homework right now, you can tell your teacher and say, please, can I do my homework later? Can I do my homework later, please? And if you want to use your mobile phone, you can say, please, can I use my phone? Please, can I use my phone? If you want to draw a nice picture for your teacher, you can say, please, can I draw a picture, please? Can I draw a picture for you? And if the board is dirty, you can be a good student and say, please, can I clean the board? Please, can I clean the board? If you don't like your seat, you can ask your teacher and say, please, can I change my seat? Can I change my seat? Please. And if you want to take a photo of your teacher, you can ask for permission and say, please, can I take a photo? Please, can I take a photo of you? And if there's an emergency and you need to call your mom or dad, you can say, please, can I call my mom? Please, can I call my mom? And if you want to sit next to your best friend, you can say, please, can I sit next to you? And at the end of the day, you can say, please, can I go home now? Please, can I go home now? And if you're hungry again, because now it's snack time, you can say, please, can I eat a snack? Please, can I eat a snack? And of course, if you want to read a book, you need to open it first. So you can say, please, can I open my book? Please, can I open my book? And when you finish reading, you can say, please, can I close my book? And if you don't understand the task and you need to copy the answer from your friend, you can say, please, can I copy the answer? Can I copy the answer? Please. And if you have a pair of scissors, you can use them to cut something. So you can say, please, can I use the scissors? Please, can I use the scissors? And if you want to make a nice drawing, you can cut the paper and you can say, please, can I cut the paper? Please, can I cut the paper? Then you can use the glue and say, please, can I glue this? Please, can I glue this? And if you need to find more books to read, you can go to the library and say, please, can I go to the library? Please, can I go to the library? And if you want to walk to school with your friend, you can say, please, can I walk with you? Please, can I walk with you? If you don't understand the task or you need help with your homework, you can always ask your teacher and say, please, can I ask for help? If it's cold outside, you need to wear your coat. So you can say, please, can I wear my coat? Please, can I wear my coat? If you feel tired, you can ask your teacher if you can take a break. So you can say, please, can I take a break? Please, can I take a break? And if you want to read a book with your friend, you can say, please, can I read with you? Please, can I read with you? If you're ready to do the test, you can raise your hand and say, please, can I start the test? Please, can I start the test? If there aren't enough chairs in the classroom, you can sit on the floor, so you can say, please, can I sit on the floor? Please, can I sit on the floor? If you're still learning how to write, you can say, please, can I write my name? Please, can I write my name? And if you need to buy something, you can go to the shop and say, please, can I go to the shop? Please, can I go to the shop? Okay, thank you for watching this lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.
If you like this video, subscribe to the channel, give us a like and watch the next video for more.
English for Fun at Panda J UK.